These are some of the most advanced combine harvesters out there, packed with automation and remote control tech. They can handle multiple tasks all at once, things that used to need dozens of people. From cutting the crops to threshing the grains and even bagging them, all of this is done in just one pass through the field. And the best part? This is way more efficient than the old school methods. And look at this. Once the grain is harvested, it goes straight into these trucks with zero human effort. This doesn't just make things faster, it's also better for the environment, cutting down on emissions and saving energy. We are witnessing a complete transformation in agriculture. Technology is changing everything, making every process smoother. These machines are not just a big leap forward, but also a glimpse into the future of sustainable farming. Now, let's take a moment to admire these fascinating operations out in the field.